Hello my beautiful souls and welcome back. So in today's video, I wanted to take you guys inside of a workshop. So this week we had the Unlock Your Intuition Within Mini Immersion workshop. Whew, that's a mouthful. It was a very powerful workshop and I felt a lot of beautiful energy. I felt a lot of people connecting to their intuition. I felt some very powerful breakthroughs. So what I wanted to do instead of a regular video for this week is to take you inside of a workshop, giving you little clips and bits. I'm not going to give you the full workshop, of course, because that is special to them, but letting you see a little bit of what is inside of a workshop. This is a workshop where they essentially did all the work, of course. There was learning. We talked about tarot and oracle cards. We went over wonderful spiritual tricks, things that I learned from other people, as well as going within and really connecting to the intuition. The meditation and the journey part was just popping off, and I was loving the energy. So much came through. It was a beautiful experience to have. These workshops that I create every single month are very, very powerful, very, very wonderful. We had the Rise and Release workshop at the beginning of the year, and I wanted to start something off with intuition. I already offered the Unlock Your Intuition, the full course, and I thought, well, how amazing would it be to have a little mini immersion workshop where if you don't want to do the full course, you can still come in and you can still get the same experience, right? Next month is going to be a heart chakra workshop, so I hope you guys join us next month as well. But like I said, this is an amazing time. These workshops are absolutely beautiful. You can either be present for the workshop or you can watch the replay. A few people chose to watch the replay this time, and we still had a few people on the live as well. Last month, I only had one person join the live, and everybody else watched the replay, and that's okay as well. Whatever works in your schedule and your time and on your journey, these workshops are meant for you guys. So they also come with a little mini journal as well for you to work with. But again, this workshop, the intuition is my bread and butter. This is the thing that I love to teach. This is the thing that I love to talk about. This is how I help my clients the most, is helping you to learn to trust your intuition, tap into your intuition, and really, 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 really believe in yourself. So through this workshop, my intentions were that my clients would leave, each person would leave knowing more about their intuition, having the chance to connect to their intuition with the tools to continue on their journey, connecting to their intuition every single day as well. So they will do their practices, their meditations, but they will learn how to fully connect to their intuition in day-to-day life as well, not just having to stop what they're doing and go in and meditate to connect to their intuition. Something where they can learn what their intuition sounds like, how it works, how they connect to their intuition. So let's say they're at Walmart and they just connect to their intuition automatically, right? We're all born with intuition. We're all born with our own gifts, and I truly believe that we were also all born with unique gifts, and no two intuitions are the same. They are more catered to who you are as a person, which is why when I teach you how to connect to your intuition, I am teaching you how to connect to your own personal connection, your own personal intuition. It might be something that's strong, big, bold. It might have this beautiful, whimsical voice. It might be like more of a witchy energy. It might be the calm before the storm, or the spring that like the flowers coming up from the ground. It might feel like summer heat or winter cold, snow. But the point is it's your intuition. It is more catered to you and who you are as a person. So that was my goal and my hope for this workshop. So I hope you guys enjoy these little bits inside of today's workshop. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoy. Cards are gonna have messages on them. These are wonderful because let's say I pull this card. We care about you. We want you to take care of yourself. So from this message, I can start tapping in and get into that reading with my clients as well. Sometimes this is a wonderful tool when you're super nervous. As we care about you, we want you to take care of yourself. Then I might go on into my reading feeling, noticing feeling like I just feel down about myself, or I feel like I've been looking in the mirror and I'm overweight, or I'm not taking care of myself and my body and the nutrients aren't there. I would maybe start to feel this in my own body. This is something where I'm saying you need to start to be open in a safe way. We'll get into that also. When I pulled this card and as I was reading the message, my mind automatically went to that thought. Maybe that 222 is telling you that that is possible. That anything is possible, that your guides fully support you on that decision and they are helping you, and to ask for more help, that you are being guided, divinely guided in that direction as well, that you are always supported. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go and unlock your intuition. Let's go find her. Like calling a friend home. Okay? As we step into the forest, well within yourself, well inside the forest, until you no longer see the stars. You no longer see any light. The only light is the glow of yourself. With your own intuition. And as you're doing this, start to notice if your hands are tingling, if they feel calm. Maybe your hands are feeling warm. Maybe they feel cold. Maybe you're even feeling a little bit cold yourself. Maybe you're starting to see, and maybe this gift is going to help you, help others, help you help yourself, help you turn a business into profit, help you gain more confidence, help you find love, help you with your family, help others, help the universe. Just this loving little feeling, a little bubble within you, or maybe it's something stronger and more fierce. Maybe your intuition feels like a fairy dust. Or maybe intuition always has a different feeling for everybody. And if you felt that, if you felt a connection when I said something, then that is how your intuition is representing itself to you. So be open to that. Listen to it. Feel it. This is your intuition. She's been there the whole time. She's been talking to you, but now you're listening. Now you're ready to listen. And she says, welcome, my child. Welcome. Whenever you need your intuition, she's there. She doesn't go anywhere. She's the best part of you, and sometimes the worst in some ways. And that's the greatest, most beautiful thing ever. But your intuition isn't going anywhere. She was here the whole time. No two people are fully alike. So why should any intuition be the same? Any two gifts be the same? You will see spirit different than I see spirit, different than somebody else sees spirit. You will sense and feel. You will speak and hear spirit different than even I do. A pull within your sacral chakra telling you to do this. It is the voice inside your throat chakra saying, speak up for yourself. You might notice this energy building the next few days. You might notice a kind of calm coming to you. Maybe she's there to protect you. She's not there to hurt you. This safe space right here is a place that you can go to learn. This is on the outer part of what's within you. So this is kind of like where I will start my own clients before we go within, deeper into ourselves. Because I listened to that intuition to book the Reiki session with her. There were 2 other people that I was looking at, but I was very much called to her. That's where my energy kept going. So this is where you start to learn to listen to your intuition every single day. It'll pop up all of a sudden. The more you listen to it and the more you follow your intuition's direction, the more it's going to just flow through every single day. Thank you so much for trusting me on your journey, for joining me today. Whether you're watching the replay or you joined today's circle, thank you, thank you, thank you. It was my greatest honor to be a part of your journey. And I'm sending so much blessing to you, so much love. Thank you. Namaste. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I hopefully will see you next month's workshop, which is going to be all about the heart chakra. Bye, guys.